Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if your iPhone is successfully connected to Wi-Fi but you already don't have internet, so how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try, just swipe up and just turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find your Wi-Fi, so just open Wi-Fi. Just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network. So you can also try to restart your Wi-Fi router, so just try to restart your Wi-Fi router and connect again. Or you can also just tap on your Wi-Fi and just choose forget this network and just turn off Wi-Fi and turn it again and just connect by typing your password to your Wi-Fi and try to connect again. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to go to the general, and in the general you need to find shutdown, so just slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to make force restart on your phone. So just keep holding low volume and power button until you will see your Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, just release your fingers from these two buttons, and it means that you successfully made force restart. And the last thing you can also try is just to go to the general again and just open reset and reset network settings. So just type here on reset network settings and just submit it. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.